Got a head of fiery hair and a turbocharged backpack. The genius sisters use him like a lab rat. A neat freak dad at home, a super busy mom. The boy's best friend is a talking dog. That's right. 3 extreme genes and an air-breathing shark. Mega action game controller skating in the park. A Pharaoh booster bling bling. What do we make of this? Johnny Test. Johnny Test. This is the life of a boy named Johnny Test. Johnny Test. Johnny Test. This is the life of a boy named Johnny Test.
What the heck is that?
It's called crewing. It's an ancient boat race that dates back to the Egyptians.
They do realize it's not ancient times. We have boats with motors now. Those guys are morons. And they heard me.
I'd like to see you try and beat us, flame-headed wimp. We're national champions. Great! Then the race is set. First one from the Pork Belly Boat Shack to the safety buoys at the river dam is Super Champion of the World! Be back here in 2 hours.
I need a boat. A really fast boat with gadgets. I need it!
Dog?
He got into an argument with this Pork Belly tech crew jerk, and now Johnny has to race him.
You mean Kurt Kirkland? He's the big man on campus, and he's never lost a race.
Well, he's gonna. Johnny need boat!
Forget it, Johnny. We can't just stop what we're doing because you accepted a stupid boat challenge.
Because you know you'll lose to me, Test Sisters.
How did you get in here?
Your dad, nice guy.
We can beat you and your stupid crew boat, no problem.
Good! See you at the boathouse in 2 hours. And you are going down.
Susan Test, I have come to... Hey, who's the stiff?
We're having a boat race. First one to the warning buoys at the dam is Super Champion of the World!
Hey, I want a race. Then I'll win, and Susan will want to kiss me.
No, I won't.
Oh, I know. But I still want a race. We always have fun on our races.
Perfect! The more fun it will be to destroy all of you!
Susan, Mary, we need your pocket reactor and... Who's the stiff? What's with the boats?
We're having a race.
Ooh, sounds like fun.
Good! Then it's all set.
No, there's gonna be at least 2 more. And one is a talking cat.
Johnny Test, I am here to destroy you! And... Ooh, you having a boat race?
Did somebody say boat race?
Speed cool!
I'm in town researching my next picture, which is about a boat race. But I need to borrow a cool boat and a monkey.
Okay, that should be it. Now, let's race!
I call this the Love Boat.
Ew!
You are all going down!
What the heck are you doing here?
Oh, just because I'm from outer space, I can't boat race and try and destroy you. Is that it, huh?
Unbelievable! Now go!
We're losing. That's why I made some adjustments. Go!
Awesome! We're in the lead! Not for long, Johnny Test!
They're going to cheat, sir.
Of course, and it starts with my Sharkpedos! We've got company!
And we've got colorful buttons.
And you know what they do, right?
No idea.
Well, we're safe.
Yeah, but now we're in last place. But cool. We'll just fly to the finish.
No, That is cheating, Johnny, and you know cheaters never win.
I hate it when you're right. Hey, I wonder what this button does.
I wish you would stop pressing buttons on these races.
Yes! We're in the lead!
Now I have the lead. And some heart-shaped chocolates for you.
And I have an anchor for you!
That's cheating, Susan Chest! But I still love you! We've got to help that round and unattractive boy, Monkey. There, chubby wet racer. Come into our boat, where you can be dry.
Uh-huh, great.
Later, McLoser! Help! Help! Somebody! Help!
Quick, get on!
You're not the only ones who can invent cool boats, Susan and Mary Test.
Yes, but I am the only one who can use the vegan force.
Hey, you're cheating!
That's because cheaters always win.
We will not lose to that dork! You know, cheaters never win, right? That is a total myth. Bridges, however, are not a myth.
Cool, we're catching up! I'm not stopping.
You have to!
We don't have any room!
No, but it's the right thing to do.
Get in!
Thanks, little brother.
Thanks, Johnny.
Great, now the boat is too small and we're losing the race! That could work.
I told them they were going down! Nobody can stop us!
Oh, I'll stop them by shooting a giant hole in their boat. What do you mean cheaters never win? Knock it off, Lobo! Cheaters win!
We're gonna need a bigger boat. Now let's get out of here! Darn it!
Bigger boats tend to be slower boats.
I've hacked into the military space lasers. And we'll blast the bridge into the river and nobody will be able to pass and we will win the race!
Yes, just one thing, sir.
Yeah, cheaters never win, blah, blah, blah. Now, bye-bye, bridge!
What I was going to say was, we're on the bridge.
Uh-oh.
Crew, stealth mode, go!
My bad, all me, right here.
Great. Now we're all gonna lose.
Use your power and move the bridge.
It's too heavy.
Just do it, you big green baby!
Yes, he's doing it.
And now he's losing it.
Ah, nice going.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm new at this.
The boat's kinda small.
What's left?
Just a pontoon party boat.
I told you you were going down!
Well, I didn't cheat, but I lost!
No, Johnny, it's never over till it's over.
I've still got some dark powers left.
And we've got flamethrowers.
And I have my awesome lounge chair. Who wants my seat?
Give it all she's got! Guess who's gonna be super champion of the world, Kirk?
All of us!
No! You are all Cheat mode! Now!
Oh, great. Now I need to get a new hand.
Yes! We're super champions of the world!
I don't believe it! I thought cheaters never win!
I told you it was a myth.
No, it's not. Look!
Uh-oh. Well, looks like he's going down. Okay.
See, Johnny? Even when they win, cheaters never win.
And the losers are on a super cool houseboat, and it's party time!
Who knew losing could be so much fun?
And here's to our next race. No, this is it. No more races.
Okay, first one back to the boathouse is the super champion of the world! Go!
Okay, class, as you all know, tonight is the science fair. And everyone needs to bring in their reports and projects.
I made a totally awesome volcano.
And my nose is also an example of a fungus.
And I also want to remind Johnny that he has no project and the fair is in 4 hours.
Don't worry, Mr. Teacher Man. I just forgot it at home, and it totally rocks. The science fair is in 4 hours, and I don't have a project!
To the lab!
Hey, sisters, I need a...
They locked you out.
Then it's time to crack the code. Gil. Gil rocks. I love Gil. Gil's super dreamy. Spingo.
Look at the wonderful meat! They must be doing a steak experiment. I better test it.
No, they did my science fair project. A meat-eating plant.
Uh-oh.
Put the plant down, Johnny Test.
What's with the alarms and those cool blasters?
Oh, it's because you are banned from the lab.
What? What did I do?
Are you sure we can roast marshmallows with hydrogen?
You're not the least bit curious. Right. But I need this plan for the science fair in 4 hours!
Well, forget it, because this lab is officially on Johnny Lockdown.
What the heck does that mean?
I think I know what it means.
I am getting into that lab and getting that plant.
I don't know. They sounded serious.
But I have a plan. I've never tried it before, but it's so crazy, it just might work.
What?
Can I please come in and borrow the meat plant?
No!
I said please, and I've never said that before.
No!
You know this means war.
Bring it on!
I will return!
The vents! Smart.
Badgers, even smarter.
Now, we cut a hole into the bathroom ceiling.
And bingo, we're in the lab.
No, you're in the transporter.
Ooh, Parisian pastry puffs. Buy me one, s'il vous plaît.
They think they can stop me? Well, I'm going over their heads.
So, you're gonna drill through the roof.
Higher over their heads.
So, the girls won't let you in the lab, huh?
It's not fair! fair!
He just wants to get in the lab so we can swipe our mercury fly trap. So he doesn't have to do his science fair project.
Can't you just let your brother use the plan for his project?
And the written research.
And your written research?
No!
The girls are right. Johnny should do the project himself. Frankly, honey, I can't believe you.
I can't believe you! In business, it's the group that solves problems and makes presentations. Now, if his own father and sisters aren't going to help Johnny complete this task, then I will!
To the lab! No! Lock down the lab! They're not getting in, and Johnny's gonna have to do his own science fair project.
You do realize you're going up against Mom, right?
I know. I feel so alive.
We are so getting into that lab.
It's no use, Mom. They changed the passcode to something super secret.
Oh, sweetheart. I read their diaries. I know all their secrets. Gil totally rocks 8223.
Run!
Paris! Oh, how nice. I will not give up.
Doggy wants pastry puffs now. Oh, come on! They look so tasty!
Now, Johnny's project is due in 1 hour, so keep an eye and ear out for anything suspicious and tricky.
Who is it?
Susan and Mary, it's Gil. I've got free tickets to see the Screamos tonight. Wanna go with me?
Nice try, but we're not fools, so go away!
Hey, Gil, what's up?
Going to a rock concert alone, I guess. Laters, Johnny.
Your sisters need to learn the importance of teamwork and support.
And the blowtorch.
So this is what we're keeping away from Johnny, huh?
Dad, don't get too close!
Ah!
Dad, fly trap! Dad is bad, naughty!
Oh!
Dad, are you okay?
Technically, I think I'm Barb. Oh, what are they doing now?
She's lost it.
Big time!
We are getting into that lab and getting you that plant!
You might want to try this ice water. Right in her face.
Oh, wrecking ball too much, right?
A little bit, yeah.
Well, sweetheart, it looks like your selfish father, whom I love, and your sisters have us beat.
But I was thinking, if we can't bust into the lab and get the fly trap, what if we get the fly trap to bust out?
Ooh, if only you applied yourself like this in school.
Ha! The science fair is in 5 minutes, so it looks like we win. And Johnny fails!
As a parent, this is a little bittersweet, but we rock! What's that smell?
Keep those steaks sizzling, boys!
Oh no, they're tempting Mercury to bust out of here!
We're not going anywhere, Flytrap. Johnny needs to learn to do things by himself. I mean, Johnny wins and... Transport out of here!
He got bigger.
And he's not gonna fit in the car.
Hop in, boys! We got 3 minutes to get to the science fair!
I've got such a cool mom. Hit it, and let's get that A!
Volcano! Very well constructed, but not very original. B. Nasal fungus. Totally gross, but completed. C-. Yes! And holy smokes!
Meet the Dionaea muscipula, or as I like to call it, the awesome meat-eating mercury flytrap.
It's amazing, Johnny! It's the most spectacular science project I've ever seen! It still looks hungry!
Right, so, now I'll demonstrate what happens when the carnivorous plant runs out of meat. It freaks out.
Johnny's Science Fair project wants to eat all of us!
I'm not getting that A, am I?
No. Run! Run for your lives!
Oh, so close.
Well, you were right, guys. Teamwork does win in the end.
Yep, and we'll need a team to stop the mercury flytrap.
Or we could...
Good pastry puff.
Still, I feel a little guilty not helping with the plant. You know.
We'll go back to Pork Belly once the SWAT team subdues the flytrap.
Hey, it's what they're paid to do.
Right. Waiter, more pastry puffs, please, and 3 for the dog.
I got such a cool, crazy family.